Akuapem Radio 97.1. And yasin be PM Ademi Park. Okay, say last week, your baby PM ebetwa mfoni Ademi a projector and also ekoso ewa Ademi Park. And yasin aba na ne ba yeba ne nyina ne say the new patriotic party candidate Ademi Akuapem North Hon.Samuel Awuku, and also the Director General by the National Lotteries Authority by inspection. Ne nyina ne say project ekoso wa no NLA and a project no esine nan so. Oba be bo apro be hwe mpempen so a dwumadi nso akodu na oba no enye no nkwa na obai on the municipal chief executive Berima Esiedu Labi Meshak honorable and then the by sound so na mpanyifo a wofi Wembley Constructions won ana project no so won so wo resi e wo ha be bo apro ehwe be bia project na akodu na no kwasem honorable bai no eni aso e oniama ekoso e wo ha mpanyifo de ne famu enso no ama kwhwe facilities a eno so ewa aha eno na Honorable Samuel Awuku ebepiem ewa ha after so call apro ehwe adwumadi ekoso Ademi Park no Akuapem Radio 97.1 yenso yene Honorable Samuel Awuku edi nkomo na ne nsem a ode tu gwa no eni
Honorable and our inspection of Ademi Park whole impression about the project ekoso.
Thanks, beautiful. Many JE now we share progress about so far. I started to say dream, but once I'm not committed to do it, you know. I'm the say it's immediate baby idea by doing. I mentioned yani asore ne so di ho nkomo no won so no je na so pem na won yen so atena di dwuma ya sese enche ye ma ye ho 2 months not just a project in our day, then we can commission it well. With this as a project, I personally may advocate here through the National Lottery Authority. I say the Kufo. That's also any ND home come say you benya bibi say wa ha say anka beboa. To no so the two menim no. Na National Lottery is the home come. Afi so no ye Presby. Once so na facility school here one day. See, San Kambum na eba no. A man easy for us to get the contractors not quickly on site and the necessary approval no so aye. Nti me de say yet me so no IBB say it na ye de boa Akuapem.
We be say project is easy for the school because in the other say school no.
So for the entire community. A very interesting question. Now the ownership no came up when nananom ne Presby moderator and the Presby so as of no so share. A shared ownership. School no na one asase. Na nananom ne yen so this development no ereba. As for the ownership, it's for both the community and the school. But any time as community in here for a program on a school, no, so be the home because mind is an educational facility, so it cannot be open every day. When the school is also using it, so they can use it. And rest also, nananum here so the one program. He has the educational programs also no we also get to use it. And we know a major source of interest to develop sports and so a municipality name. The next phase that change that Kwame be and say be tartan tracks no around it. The first phase in the is to get a good football pitch, AstroTurf. Now once also no when you be so film.
Okay, about sports development. No been a war when I say Akuapem North and share them and I will after say the commission project.
Many sports stakeholders and so no be share. Because they say you revive in football, in athletics, and in Yamapi, Beboama, Akuapem so sweat me to point about sports. Now it must be a brutally frank conversation. Now MC is also and the stakeholders in government are all the sports coordinator and PE instructors are the various senior high school because I have a talent and also no grow from the basic school now they are called senior high honor. Until once I know we are aligned on the area. When person may propose, I want to hear from them. I want to say it can help improve upon sports here. Now and everywhere now, it says as we speak, we hosted the entire Africa or all Africa games. And I believe that as we keep developing our sports infrastructure and the various disciplines our sports, we're able to get the necessary talent to be able to move to the next level.
Finally, one more corner. When we saw the candidate for the new patriotic party,
Sir,
then Melbourne and also Akuapem North.
Oh, maybe the my man are clear. My boys candidate. a girls candidate. Now, my time as member of parliament, I don't know what it will be a new dawn, a new beginning. Obiabe feel part. It's a constituency for all. Obiabe also a part of the constituency, and a constituency for few people. Na obi wo honom na ne de say okay, a young person. Sebe, ne nyuma bi a oye nse o person o set up a small cottage business in aboa no. Wo honom a person at least ne barbering shop or ye ne watre ma ne aboa no. Wo ye kua. Wo so sebe, ne oye na ye bi a fish farming or your livestock or your poultry. The very little things you boama ye dia mama obi bia ye part of the development of Akuapem North. Many nye say no utie some of the feedback issues of drug addiction and amrante won near many bia worry ye me ade no menye ni so bia be person ka no do sori anopa ko be shita wa to za de besa na adwuma na eni ho no ento so bi eka ho nti we will come together as a team near home wide the boy.
Now, Hon. Samuel Kasawi, no, Penyinipa, other Wembley construction, I know, one na Jumedi in Susi once, so I worry see Abua Amoka Mark on him. Ora Robert Coleman, as well to Nenu Kakra.
My name is Robert Coleman. I'm the CEO for Wembley Sports Complex. Let me use this opportunity to thank the incoming Member of Parliament for the area, Hon.Samuel Awuku and NLA for giving us the opportunity to construct this magnificent edifice. He decided to visit the site and to have a first-hand information on what we have done so far. It's all part of the One Constituency, One AstroTurf initiative that I mooted in 2016. And let me commend government for endorsing it and commend especially His Excellency the President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo for giving us the opportunity to actualize the dream that we have, and also the Vice President of the Republic, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We have also done a significant edifice for him in his hometown, Wali and Nalerugu. So it's all about the One Constituency, One AstroTurf initiative. Currently, we have done over 67, that's Wembley alone. And when this government came to power, we had about 3 AstroTurfs in the country. And for this remarkable jump, it is phenomenal. As I speak to you now, I know that government has plans to construct about 100 more AstroTurfs before the end of the year. And also, government has constructed over 150. So if you are able to add the 100 to the 150, then we are talking about 200, which is significant. Ghana would therefore be the only country in Africa that will have this number of AstroTurf, especially in West Africa. So I think we are on course. All I want to say is to appeal to other corporate bodies to emulate what NLA has done, GPHA has done, Ghana Gas is doing, GMPC is doing, the Magdan Foundation is doing, so that we can all propagate the message so we have a fantastic edifice like this. It is all about having a decent place to play football. Hitherto, when you are playing football, you see gravel pitches, sandy pitches and all that. That's what we are trying to walk away from. I am not by this means endorsing only AstroTurfs, but it is because of the harsh climatic conditions that we have, and the fact that when we do the natural grass, we are unable to maintain it. That's why I'm pushing this idea. But I think that in areas that the weather is very conducive, we can have natural grass, also fences properly, and ensure that proper maintenance is done. Let me assure you that when it comes to maintenance of the edifice, we are top notch, we are on focus, we are extremely purposeful, we know exactly what we are doing, and I can assure you that we will maintain it so that the lifespan of the AstroTurf we have constructed here will be achieved. Thank you very much.
Command Radio 97.1 ene anopa aprobo a yede be mu e wa Ademi Park ene Hon. Samuel Awuku, Director General Ademi NLA, sounds no ye the new Patriotic Party Parliamentary Candidate Akuapem North ebebo apro e wa Ademi Park ebe hwe dwumadi ekoso wa ha no yede be si na sekesen confirma NLA sounds na Wembley Constructions afei mo a munya brehwen etie yen Command Radio yana mase Akuapem Ghana man yana mase ekoi team ni nyina nso me na team na se executive producer era Akuapem Boateng, sounds na Nana Kofi Okorie Agyeman, Gideon Into, Nana Kwame Perry, Sounds na DJ Zigibi and afi DJ Donzi. Solomon Baidu, the writer commentator, sports team, mena wase. Bidin at the Kelvin and Pon said in a mum, Meka say, Oko Facebook, Okuman Radio 97.1, YouTube, Okuman Radio 97.1. Ubenya mfoni nyina any videos ni nyina ahwe. Okwa like na afin so no share. Na adwenkyire bi a wo no ode ato.